Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing Insta360 X3 camera. So it's basically pocket 360 action camera, as it works in 360 degrees. On the right side of the box you can find some more information. There's a 5.7K 360 capture. So that's the resolution of the camera. It's 5.7 thousand K, and that's a lot. And there's a single lens mode, 72 megapixels 360 photo mode. There's active HDR video, invisible selfie stick, flow state stabilization. There's also 360 degrees horizontal look, waterproof to 10 meters 33 feet deep. On the back we can see what we should find inside that box, and that's the camera itself, charging cable, protective pouch, also the quick start guide and lens cloth. And that's basically cloth to clean your camera, and that's all. So to access the box we'll need to cut the foil like this. Try not to damage the box. It's packaged as a normal smartphone, so you can just slide it down like this. But be careful when you cut the file not to drop it. Here's the top cover. There's basically nothing of use right here other than this plastic protection for the camera, for the packaging, and yeah, that's fine. Here we can find the camera itself, also some cardboard with a box with probably all the stuff that was on the box. So we open it right here. Inside we can find the cable. There's a silicone gel. Do not eat that, and that's just to cover the smell of the plastic, I guess. And here's a cable which is USB to USB-C. Actually, let's check how long it is. You can't see it properly when I string it out, but it's actually just a standard USB cable you get with smartphones as well. It's the same size. I'm not sure how long, so I won't say. Okay, here's a probably cloth that you can put the camera inside. Smells weird, and yeah, okay, it looks like this. Next up we have the stickers, yellow and white. There's a cloth to clean the camera lenses or screen. There's information, components information, and next is warranty card. And here there's probably just instruction on how to use it or how to not use it also. And it's waterproofing, what to know. It says that on the instruction. So that's it for the box. Here we can take out the camera. And as you can see, it has a double-sided lens. That's for 360 recording, basically. You can see the screw right here, so that's a standard size screw for the cameras, so that you can screw in the handle stick or whatever you want here. Screen on this side, on the other there's no screen. There's probably LED or microphone right here. Here also. What else we can find is a power button on the right of the screen. These right here are probably some kind of a, if we open them, there's a oh, okay, I get it now. So on the left side you have USB-C just to charge it. Let's close it for now. Right here on the right, I'm not sure on how to open these without damaging them. I think we need something. Or maybe not. Okay, let's move on to the left side, because right here we can see the battery first, and here's a instruction, so let's read that. Pull out the battery first to insert a micro SD card that meets UHS.I V30 standards. Make sure the battery cover and USB cover are clean and dry before closing. We can remove that for now. And here to remove it, you can find this locks. This one is already unlocked as I unlocked it. Other is locked, so just simply pull it to the other side, and here's a battery. To insert SD card, you can find the slot right here, so put it as the picture says right here. And that's it for the battery. So to insert SD card, you need to remove the battery. Keep that in mind when using it. Now this one's closed, and only thing I'm wondering is this right here, but I guess you can't open it. We're gonna check it later. Maybe I'll make a video what's in it. So now let's power on this device. Choose the language you want to use for it, and here I'm going with English. You can download the Insta360 app in a Google Play Store, or try finding it in the App Store for iPhone users. To activate the camera, let's close it, and here we can already use it, but we need SD card to save some footage. You can change the modes right here. And if you're interested on how to change them, you can look for our other videos, as I'll be covering them all there. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.